Hi Latif, I'm just looking at your um, elements assignment. Um, you don't need to have the questions written out. You can include the question in your answer. So you can, instead of saying what is the symbol with a question mark, you can say the symbol of iron is Fe. Okay, so include it that way. You've done 3 elements, which is good to see. The information is correct, but it's just far too brief. You need some background information about iron. So maybe where is it mined? Where is it found most in the world? How do they mine it? What is it used for? That sort of thing. So you've got some information here, but it's not information out of your own mouth. And I hope you understand what all of that information means. Um, so again, copper, too brief. Need background information about copper, where it's mined, where it's from, what it's used for. Helium, same story. So this information took you probably, I don't know, 5 minutes maximum to find. It's just simply a Google search. You just copied and pasted some pictures. You have written down some information, but it's not nearly enough. So I'm going to give you some success for this assignment. So well done, and enjoy the rest of your holiday. Bye.